Today's video is brought to you by URCD Keys, the best source for Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys at deeply discounted prices. More details at the end of the video. And Chris is coming in with a question.
He is. He says, I want a game at 12K at 300 frames a second, and my budget is $9.
What else does he say?
Oh, help me, Obi Tech Kenobi. You're my only hope.
I have a solution for Chris. In fact, I have a real solution right now that will work for $9.
What?
You want to know what it is? I do. I have got a solution for Chris. In fact, this is not only a solution that is available to Chris, but it's available to multiple viewers simultaneously.
Oh, really?
I'm 100% serious here.
Okay.
If you want a game in 12K at 300 frames per second, and you've only got $9, here's what you do. You gather up several of your friends, because this is a multiplayer game.
Oh, it is? Okay, right.
You stop by your local sporting goods store or Walmart, and you pick yourself up a basketball or a football, or a soccer ball, depending on what part of the world you're in. Then you go out to this place. It's this new place we're calling. It's called Outside. It's not inside the rectangle.
It's real pixels?
It's the outside of the rectangle. And you leave your rectangle and you go to a park and you
For another rectangle.
and you play with other people using the ball,
Just make sure you social distance.
and you will get 12K
Okay.
resolution. It will be over 300 frames per second. And it will cost you no more than $9 unless you buy a really expensive ball. And that solution is actually available to multiple people.
It is.
I didn't think it was possible either until I discovered the secret.
Or someone says, wait 50 years.
URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. For the month of December, get a bonus of 28% off normal prices using our discount code BST and the link in the video description below. Less than $15 gets you a Windows 10 Professional OEM key. It's a real product key and activates directly with Microsoft. Use it forever as it links to your Microsoft account and works through reinstalls. Get a full copy of Office 2019 Professional Plus for under $50 that redeems at setup.office.com using your Microsoft account. Also works forever through reinstalls. We have been using URCD keys for almost 3 years and recommend you do as well.